Hello everyone. Today, I will demonstrate a chunky knit with a parquet texture and a structure that maintains its tightness and prevents loosening due to the specific interweaving of the loops. The scheme consists of 4 loops and 2 rows. To begin, cast on a multiple of 4 stitches, plus 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. After slipping the edge loop, we will work with loops in groups of 3, each separated by 1 stitch. Knit the separator loop. Then, knit the next 3 loops together. Create a yarn over loop, and knit the first loop again. Repeat, knit 1, knit the next 3 loops together, yarn over, and knit 1. Knit 1, knit the next 3 loops together, yarn over, and knit 1. The second row is on the wrong side. Start this row with 3 loops in a group and 1 separation loop, formed in a previous row. We will make the new 3-loop group, with the old separation loop in the middle. Purl 2 loops out of the scheme. Then purl 3 loops together, create a yarn over loop, and purl the first. Finally, purl the new separation loop. Again, purl 3 loops together, yarn over, purl the first, and purl 1. This simple and beautiful knitting technique enables the creation of unique and visually striking garments and accessories. Due to the volume it generates, it is especially ideal for comfortable winter items. I hope you find this technique useful in your future projects, and I highly recommend trying it out. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Knot Space Shop icon to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.